I've been using electric toothbrushes for many years, but the one I've been using recently died. The motor or the battery went dead. I'm not sure which was the issue, but my sister has kindly bought me a new one for my recent birthday. The question is she being thoughtful and got me something that's practical, or is she trying to tell me that I have bad breath?
Coach is a bum. Oh, bloody hell!
Let me know what you think in the poll above. Hi, my name is Joe, and today I want to share a quick video about the Oral-B Pro 2 2500 Black Edition. What a mouthful. It comes with a nice black travel case with a space for the spare brush heads, the toothbrush itself, and the charger with a 2-pin UK plug. It has an inbuilt timer function and pressure sensor to reduce the brushing speed to protect your gum if you are pressing too hard. Like I said, I've used one for many years. One interesting thing I did notice, however, was that they have changed the battery to a lithium-ion based one, whereas my old one was based on a nickel metal hydride. I find that stuff kind of interesting. Weird? Probably. Hotel? Trivago. Wait, what? It's supposed to last longer with up to 2 weeks of usage between charges. I haven't tested this claim since I usually leave it on the charger once I've used it anyway, but it's nice to know. The second thing that I found most interesting was when I unboxed the toothbrush, there was this tiny detail that I thought it was fascinating. Again, maybe it's just me being weird, but when I opened the box, I noticed these perfectly placed slots for your finger to pull the styrofoam out. I thought it was such a cool little thoughtful design detail. I mean, who somewhere has thought about this very small detail to make it much easier to take out, even though it's just a mundane electric toothbrush box. Yet it was one of the smoothest unboxing experience I've had for a long time. Anyway, that's it for today's very short video. Thank you very much for watching as always, and I hope you liked the video. I will see you again next time.